Good morning, Year 1. I hope you're ready for another maths lesson today. We've been doing lots and lots on addition and subtraction, and today we're looking at something called equivalent part-whole models. So we're going to need our knowledge of our number bonds to help us pairing two numbers together to find out what the equivalent part-whole models are. So let's share my screen and go to our Do Now to recap some of our knowledge from the past few weeks. So the first thing I want to know is, what is double 3? What is double 3? And here I've got two sets of cubes. When we add them together, what do we get? And if 3 plus 3 is 6, then what is 4 plus 2? And can you finish this part-whole model? 5 and something makes 10. Using lots of our number bond knowledge here. Okay, give yourself 3 minutes, put me on pause and have a go. Great, let's see what you've come up with. Double 3 is 6. Fantastic, we know our doubles. And 4 and 4, that's double 4. What's double 4? 8. Brilliant. And if we know 3 plus 3 is 6, can we work out what 4 plus 2 is? We can. It's one of the equivalent part wholes, which means it makes 6. Fantastic. And 5 and what? 5 from what makes 10? 5 and 5, another one of our number bonds there. Fantastic. So today, like I said, we're looking at equivalent part-whole relationships in part-whole models. So that means we're looking at one number and seeing if there's lots of different sums that give us the same answer. Okay, and that is called equivalent part-whole relationships. Okay, so we're going to have a little look at that today. So for that, you are going to need a pencil, some paper, and something to count with. Now, I'm going to use cubes today. You can use beads, you can use anything you can find in your house. Pasta, lots of us are coming up with really creative things to count with. So you're going to put me on pause and go and get those things. Off you go. Perfect. Okay, you're ready. I'm ready. Let's go. So the first part-whole relationship that we are looking at today is we're looking at the number 4. Now, I've already done one of them. We know that 2 and 2 makes 4. That's using one of our number bonds. So when we get 2 and 2, we can get 2 cubes and 2 cubes, and we know the answer's 4. But are there other ways to make 4? I wonder. So let's move on here. The first one I'm going to do is I'm just going to get 4. There we go. I've got 4 cubes. Now, if I was to represent this, it would be 4 plus 0 equals 4. But there's other ways to make 4. And what we can do is this time, we're going to change out the cubes. So this time I'm going to look at 3, 3, and 1. Have I still got 4? I do, but 3 and 1 added together make 4. Can I make it a different way? 4 plus 0 is 4, 3 plus 1 is 4. Is there another way? I'm going to try with 2 cubes this time. Okay, I've got 2 cubes. And if I get another 2 cubes, does that make 4? 2. We just did that one, didn't we? Well done. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Now we might think that that's all the ways, but we're going to keep going because our sums can switch around. I'm going to show you what I mean. If I get 1 cube and I get 3 cubes, 1 plus 3 equals 4. Now this matches one of the sums, doesn't it? It's the same as one of the sums that we've already done. It's the same as this one, but it's a completely different sum. 1 plus 3 is a different sum to 3 plus 1. It just uses the same numbers. So it's a sneaky way to think of a new one when we just flip the numbers. Can we flip the numbers on these? No, we can't, because it would be the same sum. However, we can here, and that's what we're going to do right now. So this time, I'm going to start with 0, and I'm going to add 1, 2, 3, 4. 0 plus 4 equals 4. These are all the different ways to make 4. 4 plus 0 is 4, 3 plus 1 is 4, 2 plus 2 is 4, and 1 plus 3 is 4. And lastly, 0 plus 4 is 4. These are called equivalent relationships because all of our answers are the same. We've just changed some of the numbers in the sum. All of these cubes add up to 4, but we've changed how many of each colour we have. Isn't that cool? Let's see if we can do it for a different number. Let's see it in action first. So we found 4 by putting 3 and 1 together. We got 3 cubes and we got 1 to go with it. So 3 plus 1 is 4. We also found 4 by getting 0 and 4 together. We didn't have to add anything for 0. We put 4 cubes down and we got 4. Brilliant. So let's try it with 5. The first one that I thought of was 1 plus 4 is 5. Is that correct? It is. We can get 1 cube and 4 cubes and we put them together and we get 5. So, shall we have a go trying to make 5 in different ways? The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get 5 cubes because that's an easy one to start off with. I've got 5, so I'm going to put 5 plus 0 because am I adding anything to it? No, I'm not. Equals 5. Next number I'm going to try is 4. This time I'm going to get 4 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4. What could I add to 4 to make 5? What's missing here? 1 cube. 4 plus 1 equals 5. This time I'm going to try with 3 cubes. 3 plus what? 3, how many more do I need to get to 5? 3, 4, 5, it's 2, well done. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Ooh, what should we try this time? Well, my numbers are going down, so the next number I want to try is 2. 2 plus. So I'm going to get 2 cubes. Is that similar to a sum we've already got? It is. Well, which sum is it similar to? Oh, this one's got a 2 in it. So this one could be 3. Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3. You're absolutely right. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Fantastic. Am I done? No. Okay, what number should we try? Let's try 1. 1 plus what? Oh, it's simple. We could try this one because look, there's a 1 up here. 1 plus. Should we try 4? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're absolutely right. 1 plus 4 equals 5. All of these have the same thing in common. They use the same amount of cubes, but the sums change. So, have I got all of them? Oh, I'm missing 1. Which one am I missing? Oh, our numbers have gone down. Let's try 0. 0 plus what? So we don't add anything for 0. Now, to get 5, how many do I need? I think I need 5, so I'm going to have a go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0 plus 5 equals 5. We found all the ways to make 5. Brilliant. Great job. Let's see that in action. We found 2 and we added 3 to it. And we found that 2 add 3 became 5. Another way that we made 5 was 0. And what did we add to 0? 5. You're absolutely right. 0 and 5 is 5. Brilliant. All right. Should we give this one a try? All right. I might need a bit of help with some of this one. Let's see what we can do. We're making 6. Now, I had a go and I said 1 plus 5 is 6. Is that right? If I get 1 and I count on from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Absolutely right. 1 plus 5 equals 6. Should we try some other ways to make 6? Okay, the first way I'm going to do is I'm going to get my 6 cubes. I'm going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Have I got my 6 cubes? Yes, perfect. What sum would this look like? 6, brilliant. Plus, am I adding anything to it? No. 6 plus 0 equals 6. Okay, I'm going to try my next one. This time, I'm going to try 5. That's not 5. Good job. Okay, I've got 5. What am I adding to 5? 1. Okay, let's add 1. Does that make 6? 5, count on. 6. Well done. 5 plus 1 equals 6. What number should I try next? Should we try 3? Oh, I should try 4 next. Because look, 6, 5. Okay, let's try 4. I'm going to write that down to help me remember. 4. So I need to get 4 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got my 4 cubes. What do we think we need to add? 3. Okay, I'm going to add 3. 1, 2, 3. Not 3. That doesn't make 6. Oh, okay, I have to make 6. Let's take that one away. How about that? You're absolutely right. 4 plus 2 equals 6. And can you start to notice a pattern here? And I'm writing my numbers. This one's going down, 6, 5, 4. And this one's going up, 0, 1, 2. So if we're keeping that pattern in mind, what number should we try next? 3. Okay, let's try 3. I'm going to get my 3 cubes. 1, 2, 3. How many more should we count on? 4, 5, 6. You're absolutely right. How many cubes is it? 3. So we know that 3 plus 3 equals 6. Fantastic. Well done for checking. I need to make sure I write down the right number. We're finding all the sums for 6. Brilliant. What number should I try now? 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. You think I should try 2? Okay, we're going to try 2. Got 2. Is there a similar one to this? Have I already used a number 2? I have. So what could we predict this number might be? Maybe it could be 4. Absolutely, because 4 plus 2 is 6. So if we reverse that, 2 plus 4 must be 6. Let's find out. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. You're absolutely right. Great job, guys. Okay, what number should we try now? Have I found all of them? I think I found all of them. You think there's still some to find? Okay, what number have I not tried? 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. You think I should try 1? Okay, I'm going to try 1. 1 plus what? 1 plus 6. Okay, I'll try 6. Not 6. Why not 6? Ah, okay. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did I find it? Fantastic. Well done. 1 plus 5 is 6. And can you find your last one for me? You think you can? Okay, what would the last one be? 0 plus 6. Why do you think 6? Because to make 6, we've got to add something to 0. Fantastic. Amazing work, guys. Let's see those in action. So we found 6 by finding 2, and we added 4. 2 plus 4 is, I can't hear you, 2 plus 4 is 6. Fantastic. 2 plus 4 is 6. Another way we found 6 was 3 add 3. Well done. So 3 add 3 is what? Is 6. Fantastic. Amazing job, guys. All right. Well, let's see if you've been paying attention. There's loads of different ways to find these numbers, okay? I've just shown you so many different ways to find the numbers. So what I want you to do now is I want you to have a go finding some of the numbers. We're going to find the number 6, okay? So the first equation I'm going to do is 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. Can you find another way to make 6? I want you to try using the number 4. What would we do here? If we want to use the number 4 to make 6, we found 1 plus 5 is 6. If I want to use the number 4 to make 6, how many cubes should I get? 4. Very good. Okay, so I'm going to get 4 cubes. Using this one to help us, what do you think this number should be to get us our answer 6? If 1 plus 5 is 6, what plus 4 makes 6? Well, this one goes down. This one needs to go up. Okay, so let's see. We've got 4. Let's count on 5, 6. Is that right? Fantastic. 2 plus 4 is 6. Okay. I'm going to give you one to have a go by yourself. If we know 1 plus 5 is 6 and 2 plus 4 is 6, what plus 3 is 6? You're going to put me on pause? Here's your 3. See if you can figure it out. I'm going to give you 1 minute. Off you go. Okay, fantastic. You found your 3. You might have noticed this was going down. 5, 4, 3. And this one was going up. 1, 2, 3. We think 3 plus 3 is 6. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6. Brilliant job, guys. Well done. You found 4 and 2, and you made 6. So we know that 1 plus 5 is the same as 2 plus 4 because they both make 6, okay? And that's why we've put the little equal sign between them, because 1 plus 5 is the same as 2 plus 4. Brilliant. All right, let's try this one. If we know 1 plus 3 is 4, can we find another way to make 4 using 2? Okay, so the first thing I need you to do is write down your sum. I'm going to write down my sum and I'm going to share it with you. Okay, this is the sum you're writing down. 1 plus 3. What's 1 plus 3? 4. Okay, so we got 1 and we got 3. You've got to find the missing part here. So what do you need to do first? Get the cubes. Okay, how many cubes are you getting? 2. Okay, get your 2 cubes. I'm going to get my 2 cubes. Fantastic. Let's see if you can solve the sum. 1 plus 3 is the same as what plus 2? Remember to use your number bonds to help you. Put me on pause for 30 seconds. Off you go. Fantastic. You should have found 2. 2 plus 2 is the same as 1 plus 3. Let's see that in action. We found our 2, we brought 2 more in, and we now know that 1 plus 3 is exactly the same as 2 plus 2 because they both make 4. Okay, so we're going to use something called a number sentence now. Okay, Miss Bamford's going to have a go making a number sentence. A number sentence shows us sums that equal exactly the same thing. So my first sentence says 3 plus 2 equals 1 plus something. Okay. We got to work out the something. So let's have a look. My sentence says 3 plus 2 equals 1 plus something. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get my 3 and I'm going to get my 2. Okay, I've got my 3 and I've got my 2. What number do you think this is? You'd be absolutely right in thinking that was 5. Well done. So what does this sum need to make? It needs to make 5. Great. 3 plus 2 is the same as 1 plus what? Now this one has a 1, this one has a 2. So do you think this number needs to be bigger than 1 or smaller? You're absolutely right. To get 5, it needs to be bigger. So I'm going to get my 1 first. How many more do we think we need? Using this one, you can have a guess because this number went down. So this number should go up. So I would predict it's 4, but I can get my cubes to check. So I'm going to count on from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did I get 4 cubes? I absolutely did. So we know that 3 plus 2 is the same, exactly the same as 1 plus 4. Brilliant work, guys. Okay, I'm going to show you with another one. So 1 plus 4 is the same as 3 plus 2 because they both make 5. All right, let's try and figure out what this one is trying to make. So our sum this time says 2 plus 4 is the same as 5 plus something. So we've got to make our sum first. So we are going to write our sum. Something plus 5 is the same as 2 plus 4. I've written my sum. What should I do next? I should find my cubes. Okay, which side first? This side, because then we can figure out what we're making. Brilliant. So I'm going to get my 2 and I'm going to get my 4. Is that right? Okay. 2 plus 4 makes what? Absolutely. 2 plus 4 makes 6. If you wasn't sure, you could count on from 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what should this answer code to? 6, because we've got the equal sign here, which means it needs to be exactly the same sum. Okay. What number can I get now? I can get my 5. Fantastic. So I'm going to get my 5. That's not 5. Oh. Silly, I need to do careful counting. Okay, I've got my 5. Looking at the cubes now, do you think you could guess what my number would be? Checking this one went up, so this one should go up. Yeah, very good. Down. 1 plus 5 We bring in the 1. Does it make 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good, guys. Okay, let's see that in action. We brought in our 1 because 1 plus 5 makes 6, the same as 2 plus 4 makes 6. All right, your turn. You're going to have a go at this first sum, okay? Using this number sentence. So the first thing you need to do is what? Write down your number sentence, okay? After you've written down your number sentence, what are you going to do? You're going to find the cubes. For which side? The side that's more complete. Well done. And then work out what number we're making. Then find cubes of the other side and work out the missing number. Okay. I think you can do it. Off you go. I'm going to give you 3 minutes. Put me on pause. Off you go. Okay, you should have put me on pause and you should have found out exactly what sum we are doing. So, I've had a little go. Let's see. Okay, so I found out that 2 and 2 together made 5. So I knew I had to get 5 cubes for this side. So I put together 4 and 1, which also makes 5. Wait, I did something wrong. What did I do wrong? I'm not making 5? Oh, that's not very good. How do you know I'm not making 5? Because you added 2 to 2, and what number did you get? 4? Oh, I better check my counting. 3, 2, 3. You're quite right. Oh my goodness. Oh, I don't want to make that mistake. Because now I've got this side wrong. What side? What should I be making this side? Exactly the same. You're right. Okay, I'm going to put it in. 2 plus 2 is 4. This side should make 4. I've already got my 4, so do I need anything? Absolutely. Well done. 0 plus 4 is 4. The same as 2 plus 4 is 4. Thanks, guys. I don't think I would have been able to do that without you. When we add it together, 0 plus 4 is the same as 2 plus 2. All right, let's try this one. First thing you have to do is what? Write down your number sentence. Okay, once you've written down your number sentence, what do you need to do? Find the cubes for which side? The side that has more. Okay, and then what do? You work out what number we're making, okay? And once you've worked out what number we're making, you find the number on the other side. Okay, how are you going to find the number on the other side? By counting them and using your number bonds. Well done. Okay, are you ready? I'm going to give you 3 minutes to have a go. 3 plus something is the same as 1 plus 5. Put me on pause. Off you go. Okay, you should have had a go. Let's see if yours matches mine. I said that 1 plus 5 made 6. Did you get that? Brilliant. So I said this side had to make 6. We already had the 3, and I knew my number bond to 6 was 3 plus 3. So I put 3. Did you get that? Fantastic, we got the same answer. Well done, guys. 1 plus 5 makes 6, the same as 3 plus 3 makes 6. Wow, you did so well finding all those equivalent part whole models. you're going to have a go at the worksheet that is doing exactly the same thing, using number sentences to find your part-whole relationships, okay? Remember, you're making the same answer, okay? If your first one equals 6, your next one needs to equal 6. If your answer is 7, the other number sentence needs to equal 7 because these are relationships. They have to be exactly the same. The sums might change, but the answer remains the same. Okay, good luck, everyone. You're going to do really well. See you soon. Bye.